Yoga is very effective in preventing and curing diseases as proven by many researches. Consult a doctor before practicing. Along with yoga, healthy eating habits and certain food items also help in preventing and curing diseases. Videos in this channel are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease. These are for educational use and general information only and should not be a substitute for the medical advice of your own doctor or any other healthcare professional.
Hi people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Today we're gonna talk about Ustrasana or Camel pose. Ustrasana or Camel pose is a kneeling, back bending asana in modern yoga. Let's look at the pose. Rotate your arm. Stretch your back. Sit in Vajrasana. Slowly stand up on your knees. Lift your left hand and exhale. Place the left palm on your left heel. Place the right palm on your right heel. And inhale. And push hip forward. Drop your head slowly. Open your rib cage. Feel the stretch on your back. After 3 exhalations, come up in the same way. You can also perform your toe like this. Follow the step and repeat the pose. If you are doing it for the first time, then start with half camel pose. Put your finger in Jnana Mudra, then exhale. Then lift your hands up. Place the right palm on your right heel. Place the left hand like this. Do the same with your left hand also. Never perform camel pose like this manner. You may hurt yourself, it causes so much back pain. Also, don't perform like this, it is a wrong way. It is a matter of time and patience, and you will master in just keep doing it. It stretches the ankle, thighs and entire front of the body. Improve your posture, help in menstrual discomfort, avoid fatigue and anxiety, relief from lower back pain, improving your respiration. Avoid this pose. People with high BP, spine related problem, neck and back injuries shouldn't perform this pose.